Hello and welcome to ThyssenKrupp Elevators Technical Services Facility. Our Dallas International Technical Services ITS facility is just minutes from DFW Airport, and in the next few minutes we'll show you the ways ITS helps ThyssenKrupp outshine the competition. There's a lot to consider when it comes to building maintenance, air quality, utilities, landscaping, and general upkeep. ThyssenKrupp Elevator, a worldwide leader in elevator manufacturing, the largest in North America, offers comprehensive elevator maintenance with our International Technical Services, ITS Americas Center. ITS offers the latest diagnostic tools, manuals, troubleshooting support, circuit board repair, and technical training. Over 1/3 of the elevators serviced by ThyssenKrupp were manufactured by our competitors. Established in 1988, ITS has evolved into an unmatched technical support facility with global offices situated in China, England, and Brazil. This extensive international knowledge exchange elevates ThyssenKrupp Elevator far beyond the achievements of our competitors. When you enlist ThyssenKrupp Elevator for your property, you'll receive unequaled service from knowledgeable industry professionals. More importantly, you'll experience the peace of mind that comes with having all of your elevator and escalator needs addressed by the most trusted name in the industry. Whether all, some, or none of your elevators and escalators are from ThyssenKrupp, we can keep them up and running. Of course, we can do all of the talking we want, but in the end, seeing is believing. So we invite you to witness our unrivaled service firsthand by scheduling a tour of the International Technical Services Center at your convenience. Contact your ThyssenKrupp representative for more information.